Hi, I'm Catherine, your virtual tutor. I will be guiding you through this exercise today. In this tutorial we are going to give you the basics about doing a full synchronization of your system. The point of sale will automatically sync your menu items, modifiers, employees, and other information. However, a full synchronization allows the point of sale to do a complete refresh on all items associated with your system. Typically this operation does not have to be ran and often it is requested by Precision's support team. Please be advised that this operation could take multiple minutes to complete. First step would be to navigate to the login screen. Now click the blue cloud button. Next, press Full Synchronization. During the various steps of this process you may be prompted with confirmation dialogues. Please read the messages and proceed accordingly. Please be patient as your system is syncing. During the download process, the system will inform you of its current progress. Synchronization is now on its final stages. You have now successfully completed a full synchronization of your system. Thank you. And please visit Precision Classroom to view all the tutorials.